During the week of September 11, 2013, Lyons residents experienced a catastrophic 500-year flood brought on by a 1,000-year rain. Today, 7 years later, Lyons is celebrating the dedication of their prestigious Bell of Renewal sculpture that stands by the footbridge at the town's Botanic Gardens, located at Prospect Street and 4th Avenue. This beautiful bronze statue forever commemorates the incredible resilience, grit, and grace of the Lyons community.
This is our Bell of Renewal, denoting our resiliency. Thank you very much. It's beautiful. And I invite everybody from Lyons to come and ring the bell.
We are so pleased to welcome Jim G. Moore and Anita Miller with their new artwork here in Lyons. We thank you both so much for making art for the Town of Lyons, and thank you all to the funders and the supporters, the Lyons Arts and Humanities Commission and the town, for all of your support. Please come visit the Bell of Renewal and get ready for the party next year.
I had an idea to make something that would recognize the trauma of the town and the resiliency and courage of its rebuilding. So the fork represents the rivers coming together. This is ground zero, where the flood really hit. And the owl represents change. It brings death and brings change. So that's a long-standing symbol of change and renewal and birth as a result, because all death turns into new life. So the owl is building her new nest, and fast forward, the owl has been successful and now has a new baby owlet. So, so this is sort of a time lapse right in and of itself of the trauma of the town and the rebirth and the resiliency and courage of its people. The backside shows the Steamboat Mountain and shows that this is made for this spot, and it is about Lyons and is meant to be here for that. And so he brought his expertise. I assisted, and so this is really James's execution of this concept. So there you go, James.
Yeah, well, and through that process I developed a great friendship with both Anita and her husband, and it was a great time. We worked in my little backyard studio through the winter, and just enjoyed the camaraderie, and I think we came up with something that looks really great. Another thing I would add to the owl is, as some of you might know, owls are not great nest builders. They most often take over the nest of other animals, particularly red-tailed hawks. So this one, this adds to the story that this particular owl went the extra mile to perhaps start with something that was a mess and make it into something that would bring new life. So that's an addition to that story. Again, it was a process that really stretched me. It's the largest completely bronze sculpture I've done. And so there was a lot of mold making, a lot of steps in this process that were enriching and challenging. So
we invite everyone to come, whether your trauma be personal, whether it be national, whether it be local, whether it be any trauma at all. Come, ring the bell. Let it be a sign of your own renewal, of your own hope.
Thank you.